Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to choose the correct signature plate bracket to suit your signature plate. Let's go. Okay, so first thing is you're going to work out what size plate you have. So Victorian Signature plates come in two sizes, slimline like this, or the standard, which is a lot taller. With our brackets, we have an S series, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is for slimline, and an ST series, which is for standard. So just pick out the correct direction first, and then I'll explain the differences with the numbers. Okay, so with these brackets here, when do you need them? Generally, you'll need these brackets if you need to screw into a fixed factory mounting point, which is generally on a metal surface, so in a metal boot, metal tailgate, anything where the mounting position is fixed and there's no option to drill, or you're in a situation where you can drill at the locations, but it's either too high or too low and you're looking for flexibility. That's another reason why you grab something like an S1, so you can drill anywhere within the number plate and you have more flexibility to go up and down. Okay, before we get into it, let's talk about the standard issue bracket. Now, the standard issue bracket may not have the correct mounting holes to match up with the vehicle. So our bracket is designed to be a direct replacement for this one here. So in front of me, I have 4 of our signature brackets, S1 through to 4, and I'll just go through them one by one, explaining the differences. S1 and ST1. This is a rear mounting bracket for a BMW, Tesla, or Alfa Romeo. This can also be used for the rear with any mounting hole position within 230 millimeters. S1 can also be used the front of any car. This is because you're able to drill anywhere within the bracket on the front and mount it directly to your car, giving you a lot more options when it comes to drilling. S2 and ST2. This bracket is designed specifically for Volkswagen and Audi with mounting positions outside of your number plate. This situation usually arises on any metal surface that you're looking to mount to, so either a boot lid or tailgate. If you remove your existing number plate, you'll find that these 2 holes will match up with your car. So this is for Volkswagen and Audi. S3 and ST3. This signature number plate bracket is specifically for Porsche on the rear, where the mounting points are past the number plate. You'll find that the mounting point on the rear of a Porsche will exceed past the plate and will be here and here. So this bracket is for Porsche only, rear. S4 and ST4. This bracket is specifically for Mercedes-Benz on the rear. You'll find that if you're mounting onto a metal surface such as a tailgate or boot lid, there are 4 fixed mounting locations on the rear of the car. If you take off your number plate and have a look and you see 4 holes in this pattern, this is the bracket you need for Mercedes-Benz rear. So they're the 4 different brackets we have to suit signature plates. It's probably worth mentioning that our bracket is a full replacement for the factory mount, which is prone to rust. So our brackets are made of aluminium and stainless steel, so you're not going to have any issues with rusting. And I hope this video does help you choose your bracket. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.